In the first 48 hours of collapse, your biggest threat isn't hunger. It's your panicked impulse to shove random calories into your face like a raccoon in a dumpster fire. Trust me, you won't feel real hunger until sometime after 72 hours. And this isn't motivational bullshit. This is physiology.
Here's your survival timeline. 48 hours without food won't kill you, but 48 seconds of stupid food choices will.
Picture this. The grid's been dark for more than 12 hours. No power, no answers, no cavalry coming to save you. There is total chaos and looting on the streets. And you make the decision. You're leaving. You need shelter somewhere else. The main thought hammering in your skull? Grab food for the short term. So you rush to the kitchen like a civilian in a disaster movie. Your fridge is now a warm box full of biological experiments in progress. Your freezer is leaking sadness onto the floor. And you standing there like a deer in headlights, frantically grabbing random crap because the clock is ticking and you don't have a plan. That canned soup from 2019? Those nuts you forgot existed? Why not? That mystery package with no label? Sure, you're hungry and there's no time to think, right? Stop! That's how you die. Not from starvation, but from impatience, ignorance, and a bloated can that's brewing a toxin so deadly it makes cyanide look like a participation trophy.
If you open a can with a swollen lid, you're opening a can of Clostridium botulinum. That bastard thrives in low-oxygen environments and produces botulinum toxin, the most potent neurotoxin known to man. 1/10,000,000th of a gram is enough to kill an adult. The toxin blocks the release of acetylcholine at the neuromuscular junction. Translation, your muscles stop receiving the signal to contract. First the legs go, then the arms, then the diaphragm. You stay fully conscious while you suffocate over the next 4 to 8 hours. Botulism doesn't kill fast, it kills politely, one muscle at a time. And in the apocalypse, nobody is coming with antitoxin. And no, you won't smell it.
You won't taste it. You won't see it. Except for one warning sign, a swollen, bulging, springy can. Always follow this rule of 3 checks. 1. Open the can and smell it. Acid, rancid oil, chemical stench, throw it away. 2. Color turned gray-green, throw it away. 3. Liquid cloudy with bubbles? Throw it away. If even one check looks off, the can goes in the trash and you don't end up suffocating from botulism.
Now, if you're serious about survival prepping and bug-out scenarios, and you should be, here's what separates the living from the dead. You should already have a pre-packed bag with a week's worth of supplies ready to grab and go. Not, I'll figure it out when it happens. Not, I'll throw stuff together if I need to. A ready bag, now, today. Minimize canned goods, especially if you don't have access to a vehicle. Pack this instead. Nuts, calorie-dense, lightweight, no prep needed. Hardtack or crackers, carbs that last forever and weigh almost nothing. Dried meat, protein that doesn't spoil and doesn't need refrigeration. Water, the most critical item. Everything else is negotiable, water is not. Minimal canned goods, fire starting gear, knife, light, meds. Cans are heavy, water is heavier. Your legs carry both, so choose wisely. If you don't have a pre-packed bag, you're already a corpse waiting for paperwork. If you're prepared, you won't waste precious time looting a supermarket. At the same time, chaos spirals around you. Because let's be honest, your home pantry probably doesn't contain anything truly valuable, lightweight, nutritious, and shelf-stable unless you plan for it. And remember, a single moment of hesitation determines who lives and who becomes a statistic. Be ready. Not tomorrow, now. The world is already trying to kill you. Don't help it. If you learned something today, good. Come back. We're not done sharpening you yet.